Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to create a collage in Canva. After setting Canva, we can choose a template to create a design. In this tutorial, I will use presentation. Click it. And then a presentation design page is created. Next, we can go to elements. And then we can go down to bottom. We can find grids. So we can click CO. There are many grids that we can choose. For example, I pick this. Next, we can import the images. We can go to uploads and we can upload the image file from your desktop, or we can upload the file from the apps. I go back. I have the images that I uploaded before, so we can choose the image here. I click and drag to import the image into Collage. And also we can click and drag to put it here. And we can click and drag to put it here. Actually, we can double click the image. We can adjust the size to fit the area of the collage. Actually, we can rotate. I go back to 0 and use Auto. So if you're happy with this, we can press done. Actually, we can adjust the size and we can make a rotation for the collage. Furthermore, we can adjust the spacing of the white line. Go to here and increase the spacing. So this is how we can make a collage in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.